Just got down here to the dumping rock behind me here. A lot of boat traffic today, a lot of waves. Got some people up here jumping off, but they're gonna take a break. Let me just clean up in there. I come here like 5 or 6 times a year, so she's pretty clean. When I first started coming here, I'd fill that whole thing up with glass and cans and all kinds of stuff. Just got over here to the bridge on the way out. There's a crayfish in the pocket. Here's a old little shoe fishing lure. It's an awesome medicine bottle. Add that to the collection, clacking wrap. Someone wasted a Jello shot. Hey, buddy. About a 3-foot muskie right here too. Saratoga National Park, sweet. This is about to break, so I need new straps. So this is the first time I ever found a river shot. It looks like it's still pretty good. Let's try her out. No, not gonna swallow that. Now I just gotta haul all this back up to my truck without falling over. This river is super heavy. There we go. Got her. There's a will, there's a way. That's work. I want to show you guys all that I found today. You saw me pull up this rim here. Got a couple bottles here. This green one was from Saratoga National Park. Got an older Coke bottle here from Miami, Florida. Some kind of medicine bottle here, but it does not say anything on it. Fishing line here. The handle for someone's reel. It's a bad day. Bunch of lures here. Some plastics. I collect these Rapala clacking wraps. They're discontinued, but I've got a lot of them and I love them. Got this plastic out here, piece of the can, plastic here. This old shoe, a mask there, pop can, this clay for clay shooting, and a piece of a fishing rod right here. Can't forget about this hoodie right here and this cool looking sock. Got to get home and clean all this out of my truck. Had a long weekend at the raceway in Crandon, Wisconsin.